Hi all. From the last video we discussed about the basic things of manufacturing statements. So today we are going to do an activity related to the manufacturing accounts. So look at the question, the information given related to the furniture manufacturing business. So we'll see by using those information how to prepare manufacturing account. Here I told you have to follow the basic structure. According to the structure, first you have to calculate the primary cost, then you have to add production overhead cost, then you have to adjust the work in progress, then only it will be equals to the total production cost. So we'll see. Here in this question, first one is cost of transporting timber. Cost of transporting timber means carriage inwards. So I told you carriage inwards should be added to the raw material purchase. Here carriage inwards 10,000 I have added to the raw material purchase. Second one is purchasing timber. Purchasing timber in the sense raw material purchase, it should be 250,000. Third one, machine operators wages. I told you as it is a furniture manufacturing business, machine operator wages means direct labor. So under direct labor cost title, machine operator wages should be right. Second one, returning timber. Returning timber should be deducted from the raw material purchase. So returns of raw material 10,000. Next one, workshop electricity cost. Workshop electricity cost comes under what? Other indirect cost. Yes. So here you have to write the title as production overhead cost. Under that you have to write workshop electricity cost. That means here factory electricity I have mentioned it as 4,000. Next one, depreciation of machinery also comes under production overhead cost. Machinery depreciation 5,000. Next one, workshop insurance rupees 8,000. Factory insurance, workshop insurance means factory insurance. I have mentioned it as 8,000 under production overhead cost. Next one, workshop maintenance rupees 4,000 given. Workshop maintenance also comes under production overhead cost. Here as factory maintenance cost I have mentioned 4,000. Next one, carpenter wages. I told you during the previous session, carpenter wages means it comes under direct labor cost. So carpenter wages comes under direct labor cost. It should be 80,000. Next one, workshop wages. Here workshop means factory. Workshop wages also comes under production overhead cost. That means it comes under the indirect labor. If it is indirect labor, it comes under production overhead cost. Next one, painting expenses. If it is a furniture manufacturing business, painting expense, cost of painting means production overhead cost. So 5,000 should be mentioned under the production overhead cost. Last one, designing expenses. Cost of designing. I told you direct other expenses represent the cost of designing. So the amount should be 14,000. We'll see the additional information here. Machinery value given 50,000. No need to mention it under this production statement because machinery depreciation they have directly given. Next one, opening work in progress. Work in progress, I told you after production overhead cost, that means before calculate the total production cost, you have to adjust. So opening work in progress should be added, closing work in progress should be deducted. So here opening work in progress should be 20,000, closing work in progress should be 18,000. Next up, opening stock of timber and closing stock of timber also given as 20,000 and 15,000. So go to the direct material. At the beginning, opening stock of raw material should be 20,000, closing stock of raw material should be 15,000. After adding those things, we'll see how to calculate the total production cost. So now we have end up with entering all the information given. Then we can summarize this. Here, to the opening stock of raw material 20,000, you have to add raw material purchase, carriage inwards, and returns of raw material summation. That means 250 plus 10 again minus 10, 250,000. For that, when you add opening stock of raw material, answer should be 270,000. That is the direct material to be used. But there's a closing stock of raw material 15,000. That means actually we used only 255,000 direct material. So for that, you have to add direct labor and direct other expenses. According to this example, direct labor and direct other expenses total is 164,000. So summation of direct material, direct labor and direct other expenses 419,000. That means primary cost of this business is 419,000. Then go to the production overhead cost. Take the summation. According to this example, the summation of production overhead cost is 41,000. So for the primary cost, you have to add production overhead cost. Total should be 460,000. So you can't take this amount as the total production cost because before that you have to adjust work in progress. Opening work in progress and closing work in progress, when you adjust, it is equal to 2,000 plus 2,000. Then 460,000 plus 2,000, 462,000 is the total production cost.